In my lifetime, I have seen two demonstrations of technology that struck me as revolutionary: the graphical user interface and ChatGPT. These aren't my words, but Bill Gates. And he's not the only one in recognizing the transformative power of GenAI. Hey everyone, I'm Chaitanya, and I'll be talking about how you should look at integrating GenAI in your enterprise workflows. In Q1 of 2024, a staggering 199 of the S&P 500 companies mentioned GenAI in their earnings call. It's clear, no one wants to miss this bus. But as we rush to adopt this technology, enterprises must be really careful while choosing which use cases they want to tackle. Because the right use case is basically half the battle won. Today, we'll compare two applications of GenAI. First, conversation automation, and second, document reasoning. Let's start with conversation automation. GenAI excels at conversation due to its foundation in natural language processing. These models are trained on vast amounts of human dialogue, allowing them to understand context, nuance, and even emotions in text. The technology behind GenAI, particularly large language models, enable it to generate human-like responses by predicting the most likely next word in a sequence. This makes it incredibly well at adapting and maintaining coherent, contextual, and appropriate conversations. What's the good news for enterprises in this? Well, when done right and with the right expertise, GenAI can handle conversations with customers incredibly well. Let's take an example in the insurance industry. Around 40% of the workforce in this sector are deployed in sales and customer support functions. Experts claim that augmenting these departments with GenAI can generate a value to the tune of $600 billion annually. That's humongous. Some use cases that insurance companies can adopt are 1. Customer support. Learning from the past query resolutions and SOPs, GenAI agents can resolve N1 and L2 queries on their own independently. L3 queries, which are the most complex queries, will be redirected to human agents. What this approach does is deliver a seamless omni-channel customer experience, that too round the clock. Second, even in sales, an LLM application can learn or be trained on the company's offerings. Combining this with an understanding of the customer's requirement, the GenAI agent can recommend the right product for the said customer in an effective conversational manner. Let's now contrast this with GenAI and document reasoning. While GenAI shines in conversations, it faces challenges with document reasoning tasks. Document reasoning involves understanding, analyzing, and drawing conclusions from complex, often specialized documents. GenAI struggles here. It lacks the deep specialized knowledge and the ability to consistently apply logical reasoning across multiple documents. It may miss crucial details or make incorrect inferences, which can be really problematic for fields such as insurance, where accuracy is paramount. Let's take an example of the medical insurance claims. GenAI struggles here. It lacks the deep specialized knowledge and the ability to consistently apply logical reasoning across multiple documents. It may miss crucial details or make incorrect inferences. This can be really problematic for a field such as insurance, where accuracy is paramount. Let's take an example of medical insurance claims. An insurance provider today has to reference multiple documents such as pharmacy bills, medical prescription, discharge summaries, and many more. This requires precise interpretation and cross-referencing, which current GenAI models can't handle that well. A similar problem occurs in policy underwriting, where assessing the risk factors from various documents to determine policy terms and premiums requires nuanced understandings. This understanding GenAI hasn't mastered yet. Thus, for document reasoning tasks, an approach known as the human in the loop or HITL is very crucial. GenAI can still assist in this process in bits and pieces. It can do small tasks which can ease the entire job for the human agent. These tasks can include initial document sorting. The documents which are received on mails, messages, etc. can be categorized for human review. Second, information extraction. Pulling out key data points for human verification can make it a lot simpler. Third, drafting summaries. Creating an initial summaries of the document will help the human agent understand what details are covered in the document. Humans can then provide the critical reasoning, decision making, and final verification needed for accurate outcomes. While current limitations exist, the field is rapidly evolving. Future advancements that could improve GenAI's document reasoning capabilities include: first, specialized training. Models can be fine-tuned on industry-specific document sets. Second, improved multimodal AI. Better integration of text, image, and even understanding of audio can go a long way. Third, enhanced logical reasoning. Development of models with stronger reasoning abilities. Fourth, structured knowledge integration. Incorporation of domain-specific knowledge bases into AI models. As we have seen, GenAI has immense potential, but its application must be strategic. Enterprises should focus on leveraging GenAI's strength in areas such as conversation automation, but this needs to be done while maintaining human oversight in complex reasoning tasks. At Nurix, we specialize in helping businesses identify the most effective application of GenAI as per their needs. And of course, we follow it up by deployment of enterprise scalable AI agents. Remember, the key to success with GenAI isn't just the use case selection. It requires smart, strategic implementation as well. By choosing the right workflows and understanding where human expertise is still crucial, you can unlock the true transformative power of this technology. We at Nurix do this day in and day out, and we would love to help you in your AI transformation journey.